Hello and welcome. My name is Ben Miller and I'm a senior attorney with MNK Law. Before we begin, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. In California and other states, new regulations are taking effect regarding the privacy rights of consumers. The California Privacy Rights Act gives residents of California more control over the personal information that businesses collect about them. Businesses who are subject to these regulations should update their privacy policies to include all required disclosures and notices of consumer rights. Here are 5 important privacy updates for 2023 you should include. Number 1. Notice of collection. The privacy policy must include a section giving notice of the categories of personal information the company collects, how the company uses it, and which third parties the company shares it with. In addition, it must provide notice of the categories of sources from which the company collects personal information and the purposes for which it is used. Number 2. Right to opt out. The privacy policy must include a description of this right. The right to opt out of the sale of personal information gives California consumers the right to opt out of having their personal information sold to third parties. If a consumer opts out, the company must not sell the consumer's personal information. The company must also provide an easy-to-use mechanism for consumers to exercise their right, such as an online fillable form linked in the privacy policy. Additionally, the company must not require consumers to pay a fee to opt out. Number 3. Right to access. The privacy policy must include the right of California consumers, employees, and applicants to access the personal information that the company has collected about them. This includes categories of personal information collected, the sources from which it was collected, and the purpose for which it was collected. Further, the company must provide this data to the consumer in a readily usable format. Number 4. Right to deletion. The privacy policy must state that California residents have the right to request the deletion of their personal information. It should also provide information on how they can submit such requests, such as a website link or toll-free phone number. It should also explain that the company will respond to such requests within 45 days of receipt. Number 5. Right to non-discrimination. The privacy policy must specify that the company will not discriminate against California residents who exercise their rights under the California Privacy Rights Act. It should also state that the company will not refuse to provide goods or services or charge different prices or rates or provide a different level of or quality of goods or services based on a consumer's exercise of their rights. Additionally, it should explain that the company will not retaliate against residents who exercise their rights or assist others in doing so. For more information about updating your privacy policy, visit our website at mnklawyers.com or contact us at info@mnklawyers.com. Thank you and see you in the next one.